Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes group policy restricting access to the control panel and PC settings in Server 2022. Open Active Directory users and computers. Users are moved to user accounts OU. Open Group Policy Management. Create new group policy named as Restrict Access to Control Panel. Open Prohibit Access to Control Panel and PC Settings, change to Enabled. Link to user accounts. Update Group Policy. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.